I wouldn't say it's quite hockey weather yet, but it certainly isn't summer anymore, Rebecca. The weather has certainly changed.
Definitely has, especially on the coast. They've been getting rainfall throughout the course of the morning, and the rain hasn't stopped, and neither has the wind as it built up some waves that are crashing on shore now at Westport. You can see it's a stormy looking picture. And we go to HANSVILLE in the northern tip of Kitsap Peninsula. This is where we're really getting some wind, especially as we get through the course of the day and tonight. The wind right around the Admiralty Inlet, which is the area you're looking towards here from the point at North Kitsap, and that particular area is going to have wind gusts building 40 to 50 miles an hour as we get through the night up until 6 a.m. in the morning. Now, if we go to Seattle's waterfront, we'll just have a little bit of a breeze. In fact, right now the wind is calm at the waterfront, 58 degrees, cloudy skies. The rain is sort of spotty and hit and miss around Seattle to start our day today, and the wind gusts really are the focus of this particular forecast because they're going to be so strong to the north. 40-mile-per-hour gust already for Oak Harbor. You can see the areas highlighted here in the blues and yellows and reds. Those are getting the strongest wind gusts at this point, and we're going to see them build throughout the course of the afternoon and tonight. And so 36-mile-per-hour gusts for Friday Harbor will actually end up being closer to 45 to 50 miles an hour as we have a strong front set it up to move right across us. For the rest of us here on the Central Sound, we've got wind coming up out of the south, and it's a little breezy at times, about 5 to 15 miles an hour. We're really focusing on the winds off the coast and around the northern waterways for those strong winds, especially getting into tonight. The wind advisory has already started, so it's right now all the way through tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. And that's when we know that the front has completely passed through, and we'll just deal with some showers around, and the wind will ease up quite a bit. So looking at the wind gusts, they have been pretty impressive already over the San Juans and for Whidbey Island, but just wait till tonight. We'll be tracking it through the day for you here on King 5. Right now on the radar, you could see how the rain is really scattered across western Washington. The most solid area of rain is coming up onto the coast into the Olympic Mountains. Zooming in a little closer, you can see it's a fair amount of rain shower activity between Chehalis and Olympia. A lighter amount just now approaching the south tip of Hood Canal. And further north, this is where we've had moderate rain start to lighten up a little bit as it passed through Bellingham and over I-5. So continuing with a stormy looking picture, and the reason is a frontal system that's headed in. First, the warm front bringing the lighter rain for us. That warm air is riding up over the cold air in place behind that cold front, and it's creating a storm that's developing into low pressure. So as it moves through, we're going to have pretty significant changes in the amount of rainfall. The cold front is going to bring the heavier rainfall overnight, and we're expecting the amounts by tomorrow at 5 p.m. They come up to 1 1/3 inches for Seattle. Over 2 inches of rain expected at Hoquiam for this storm. Only around 1 inch for Quileute and getting close to 1 inch for Mount Vernon. So you can see it's going to be a fairly wet, soggy night ahead with those blustery winds here to the north. High temperatures today with that rain at times in the upper 50s. We're going to stay around the 60-degree mark for the central Puget Sound, the upper 50s to low 60s, 62 for Seattle, 59 for Olympia. It's a cool day, definitely below normal, but the rain will become increasingly heavy overnight into the early morning and then change to showers Thursday. It'll be a showery day, and then we'll get some sunshine coming back to the picture. Right now it looks like Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be beautiful, a little warmer in the mid-60s, and then Monday and Tuesday we'll get back to a little bit of a wetter weather pattern.
All right. Thank you very much, Rebecca.